Okay, today we're gonna make hamburger buns. Yes, hamburger buns. The recipe I got is for 18 to 24 buns. We're gonna make half of that, so I'm gonna put everything half. Here I got some salt, milk, honey, instant yeast, and butter. So I'm gonna heat this up to 100 degrees, 105 degrees, and flour is the only thing else you need. Only thing you need. So let me put all this in a pot and I'll bring you back. Okay, I got everything added in there except the yeast, because I'm gonna let it warm up first to 100 to 105, and the heat is going to make it the yeast react faster. And what I forgot is you want half of the 3/4 of water, because I'm only doing half of the recipe. So I'm gonna just keep stirring this until it get warm. So I got everything mixed together, and I checked the temperature. Wait, let me see. It's 129. It's supposed to be 100 to 105, so I have to let it cool down. And then I'm gonna put 1 tablespoon of instant dry yeast. So once it cool down, I'll bring y'all back. Okay, now I got it I got it to 101, so I'm gonna add the yeast. One tablespoon. Stir it in a little bit. So once they get a reaction and start bubbling, we'll be ready to add the flour. Okay, so now the yeast, you see it's bubbling, so it's ready to add. So we'll take it over here. And I already have 2 cups of flour, and that's what I'm gonna start with. Man, how many of y'all making your own bread? I think if I didn't work so much, I'll make it every day. I got a 1/2 cup over to the side, just in case I have to add some. Okay, I had to sit the camera down so I could get to stirring it. Don't forget to scrape your sides. So I'm gonna add a little bit more. One thing you have to be careful with is Putting too much flour, you dry it out. Still a little sticky. Okay, so now I kneaded it and I put it in a bowl. I'm gonna cover it and put it in a warm place. Okay, we back. Okay, the dough doubled in size. So we're gonna put a little flour so it won't stick. I'm gonna cut it in half. Now it says 18 to 24 buns, but I like to make big hamburgers. So I'm gonna try to use this. The good thing about making your own is because it's yours, so you can make it however you want to. I think it said 1.5 inches. I'm gonna just do it this thick. And look. You know how you get the jumbo buns. I preheated my oven to 375. Y'all, I'm so excited. I'm gonna just add this to this other dough. If I just get 4 or 5, this is my first time making it, so we'll see. Make sure you keep that flour under there so it won't stick. So let me know in the comments if you go try it. excited. I'm trying to go too fast. And I want to shout out Homesteading with the Zimmermans. I'm going to put her link in the description box because this is where I got the recipe from. I appreciate you because I've been wanting to try this recipe. The fresh bread smells so good. I think I'm gonna just make this one. It's gonna be freestyled. Then you know you don't just have to do hamburgers. You could do sandwiches. Cause I love hot dog buns, how they taste, and hamburger buns. Okay, this is my last one. So I made 6 with the half a recipe. So I'm gonna let them rest for 10 minutes. And then I'll be back. Okay, I have to retract what I said, 10 minutes. You have to let the dough rest for 30 minutes. And this is how they are. See how they poofed up a little bit? And if they don't poof up enough, just let them go like 5-minute increments until they poof up. But now I'm going to put them in the oven for 10 minutes. Okay, I'm back. I am so ecstatic. Now, I just took them out the oven. I'm going to let them cool, and I'm going to come back, and I'm going to cut them open so you can see. Y'all see this? We got hamburger buns. Okay. So I let the buns cool off, and I'm about to cut it so you can see it's soft too. So y'all, I think it's a go. So here you go, having your own hamburger bun. See the bottom? Just like a hamburger bun. You could put sesame seeds, all bagels, all seasoned bagels, whatever you want to on the top of your buns if you want to. So I hope you like this video. Y'all be blessed. Thank you for watching.